This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear bulbs replacement. Open the access panel and unscrew the thumb wheel from the rear of the lamp. You need to remove the light cluster from the wing before you can access the bulbs. Open the tailgate and remove the outer bolts. Pull the lamp unit forward, unclip the bulb holder and remove relevant bulb. Fit the new bulb. Clip the bulb holder back into the lamp unit, then refit the lamp unit to the vehicle. Secure the outer bolts. Working in the access panel again, screw the thumb wheel back into position, securing it to the rear of the lamp unit, then close the access panel. Open the tailgate and remove the cover. Release the locking tabs and remove the bulb holder from the rear of the light unit. The relevant bulb can now be removed. Insert the relevant bulbs. Then refit the bulb holder to the lamp unit. Fit the access panel back into position, then close the tailgate.